Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Excel to add numbers. Start by selecting the cells you want totaled and watch how Excel highlights ranges. Use auto sum for instant results or type equals sum, A1, A5 to control the range. To add non-adjacent cells, hold Control and click each cell, then press Enter. For quick inline sums, type equals A1 plus A2 plus A3 and hit Enter to see the result right away. Want to add numbers across columns without retyping formulas? Put a sum formula in the first column, then drag the fill handle to copy it across. If part of the formula must stay fixed, use absolute references such as $1 to prevent changes. Always glance at the formula bar after copying to confirm ranges adjusted correctly. This keeps totals accurate and speeds up repeated calculations across many columns. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading guides and reference material on the go, with a crisp screen and long battery life. It's handy when you want to study Excel tips away from your desk. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you need conditional totals, SUMIF and SUMIFs are your best friends. SUMIF handles one condition, for example equals SUMIF, B1, B10, 100, C1, C10 to add values over 100. SUMIF supports multiple conditions, letting you add where category equals X and date is after Y. Remember to wrap comparison operators in quotes and match ranges by size. These functions keep your calculated totals focused and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.